Was your roof leaking this winter? Probably due to an ice dam. Understand that some ways there's nothing that can be done about that. Roofs are not waterproof. They're not designed to have ice build up and hold water and ice on your roof. However, there are some things that can be done. One is you can make sure that you have proper ventilation and air movement inside your attic space. Another thing is a product called Ice and Water Shield. It's an underlayment that goes on the bottom row, basically from the gutter up 3 feet. Usually here in Cincinnati, we need to put 2 rows of that ice and water guard on and go about 6 feet up from the gutter up the roof. There's lots of times where ice is going to accumulate. It's going to push underneath of shingles. Because there's ice damming in the gutter, it's not able to get off of the roof. So it's got nowhere to go. As it starts to melt, it starts to move around, it refreezes and it's going to expand. It's going to get into places that it shouldn't be getting into. However, that's really not a problem with the roof. It's more a fact that there was nowhere for that water to go because of that dam in the gutter. So making sure that you have ice and water guard is going to help protect and make sure that that leaking, that moisture that gets underneath the shingles doesn't come into your house, and it's going to eventually work its way back down into the gutter. So if your roof is 15 to 20 or more years old, there's a good chance if you're in Cincinnati that you don't have any ice and water guard. So as you prepare to be replacing your roof here in the near future, make sure that you're getting not only ice and water guard put down, but the proper amount of ice and water guard put down, which again in our area is really going to require 2 rows from that eave, that gutter line, up the roof.